Hey everyone. Today we're going to explore something exciting, SQLite in Python. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this video will walk you through step-by-step how to use SQLite with Python. It's perfect for small projects, and trust me, it's easier than you might think. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What is SQLite? SQLite is a lightweight, serverless database system that's built right into Python. That means no extra installations or complicated setups, just use it straight out of the box. Think of it as having your own portable database in your pocket, ready to use anywhere. It's beginner-friendly and incredibly convenient. Getting started with SQLite in Python is super simple. You don't need to install anything. All you have to do is import the SQLite 3 module. Let me show you how. Import SQLite 3. That's it. We're all set to create and manage databases. Next, let's create our first database. The cool thing about SQLite is that if the database doesn't already exist, Python will automatically create it for you. Here's how you can connect to a new database. Con equals SQLite3.connect mydatabase.db. Now we're connected to a file called mydatabase.db. Let's move on to creating some tables. I need a cursor to run commands on the database. Databases need tables to store data, and that's what we're creating next. Think of tables as storage containers for organizing your data. Let's create a users table with 3 columns: ID, name, and age. Create table if not exists users. ID integer primary key, name text, age integer. The commit function is used to save changes permanently to the database. And just like that, our users table is ready. Time to add some data. Adding data to a table is super straightforward. We use the insert into command. Check this out. Insert into users, name, age, values. Alice 30. The commit function is used to save changes permanently to the database. Notice how we used placeholders in the query? This makes our code secure and protects it from SQL injection attacks. Neat, right? Now that we've added data, let's retrieve it using the select statement. Before fetching the data, I'll add another entry to the table. Now the table has 2 records, Alice and Schofield. Let's retrieve the data. Here's an example. With the execute command, I can retrieve all the data from the table. The data is stored in a variable called rows using the fetchAll function. Then, with a simple for loop, I can display all the data from the rows list on the console. This will display all the rows from our users table. Easy and efficient. Sometimes we need to modify or remove data. Don't worry, it's just as simple as adding it. When you run the application, Alice's age will be updated to 50. There are times when we might want to remove a record from the table. This is simple to do with the delete command. For example, I'll delete Schofield's record from the table. Once you run the application, Schofield's record will no longer exist in the table. In just a few lines, we've updated and removed data from our table. Before we wrap up, always remember to close your connection when you're done working with your database. This helps prevent issues later on. And that's it for today. We've covered the basics of setting up SQLite in Python, creating tables, inserting data, and even updating and deleting it. Now you're ready to build your own projects and manage data like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions. See you in the next one. Happy coding.